Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Squadron. I am Darshadat, and in this video I am going to be guiding you around how to connect to the database, and there are two methods to do that. One is in OOP and one is in normal functions. We are going to be using MySQL I to do that. That stands for MySQL Improved. We're not going to use PDO or any stuff like that because I prefer MySQL I more. So let's get started. I'm going to open my text editor. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to say database. The database stuff will go in here. Wait, I'll just rename it to MySQL. All the MySQLi stuff we'll do is in here, this folder now. So in that folder, we'll just create a file called db and db underscore. We're going to be connect. So db connect.php. It's quite simple to do this. I like to name the variable I use called con, but you can name it whatever you want. But wherever I use $con, you have to name the variable what you named. Otherwise, it's going to throw errors. Say MySQLi underscore connect. It requires a few parameters. Just in case you want to view them in detail, you can just go to php.net and just search for MySQLi underscore connect here. First parameter is a host. If you want to use it to a number port, that kind of LAN you can use, but I'm not going to do it that way. And this one is my user, next one is my password, and next one is the database. So here if that is not possible, it'll throw these errors. But we are now going to do it this way. So alt tab. My host is the local. I'm using a local server, so it's localhost. And if you're using a live server, you need to give whatever host you have. So localhost, and next the user. I own it as root, and my password is web for a simple password. And what database should I connect to? Well, I just connect to a database called. I just have a dummy database in me, so we are going to connect to this database here. It's actually no use. I just use it for dummy. Where I use dummy. Now what to do? You store the connection. How to check whether the connection got aborted or it didn't connect? You say if MySQLi underscore connect underscore error no. Well, if you want more reference, you can just see what are the functions stored in MySQL. You can just say echo rapid retypes. You can view it better. If you want to have a detailed look of what are the methods in MySQL, now I have to open the file. So it's in my Squadron directory. And now what file? I named it. Oh, it's in my MySQLi directory and dbconnect.php. You get these stuff here. Affected rows 0, client info and client version and connect error no and those kind of stuff. What will happen if you end up throw an error? My user's root. I put it root. It's you can just say this before you have to do it. Just I I just view the source. I know and here we just change it back to what it was to view the. You get client version, field count, host info, and other stuff. But on the two that we are interested in is connect error and connect error no. We're just going to hit a copy and just say remove this. If you don't know what these statements are, I have a video I think before this or one more before that. You can just check it out in my channel. I don't quite remember. You can just say if the dollar, and I'm used to using the MySQL object oriented way, but we are not going to touch it because okay, I'll just show you. But if you want to get inside detail, please learn OOP first. It's quite an advanced topic, so I don't want to get inside it. I'll just show you how to connect just in case you want to know. If you have any errors, here it shows 0. If it is not 0, it will start the printout. And how do we show if there's any error? This parameter right here helps us do that. So we're just going to say a die. I've not taught this die before my videos because it's quite simple. This die does nothing but whenever you get errors, you should not use the echo statement. You should use this statement because it handles errors better. Connection failed, punctuation, mysqli underscore paste, connector. Save. Okay. How about we mess with the details? Yeah. If you just turn off error reporting just in case you don't have error reporting. By the way, if you don't know what it is, again it is just if you put error reporting 0, it just turns off all the errors that are there in the file. Here. If you have error reporting turned off, you get the details of the error, of the database error. Just remove this and turn it back. And how about you mess with the other details? Multiple. This is what we get. Well, it takes the first error and then goes to the next. How about we heal this? Let us say again. Next again. That came back. I'm not gonna mess with the password again. Also back now we'll just learn it the object oriented way. I'm just gonna create a comment here, say procedural MySQL. Procedural MySQL is nothing but the functional types. Now we are going to say OOP MySQL. OOP is nothing but short form for object oriented programming. We're just going to hit a copy on this, but I think it would be better like this. OOP equal to for a it's a class, so new MySQL. You can use capitals, but it's not recommended. Now this here, you can just remove the MySQL and put that all connection variable hyphen and greater set. So we'll mess with these controls. We'll see whether the error comes. So errors. I'll just look up this thing in the PHP documentation. Copy php.net. What's the detail we are looking for? Wait, what's the error? Fatal error uncut MySQLi connect error no. So we just search for MySQLi and scope. We search the normal way. Oops, I had a typo. Well, you don't get any matches. I'll just look this up and meet you in just a few minutes. Okay, the error I had made is quite simple. It's not exactly a function, it's a variable. You get it. Now how to turn this into an object-oriented thing? Again, it's quite simple, but first enter emojis. Replace this. And you still get it. That's how we can connect to MySQLi in those two different ways. Just in case you don't understand, oh, don't worry, I'll soon have a playlist of food. I'm gonna finish a few extra topics first. So, I guess that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you want more videos like it, please subscribe to my channel again and hit the bell icon to get notifications when I upload new videos.